It's funny how we go to banging just from drinking.